In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on ClickUp, including inviting them and managing their member roles. This is an invaluable skill for efficiently managing your team and ensuring everyone has the necessary access to complete their tasks on time. So, let's dive right in and make your ClickUp experience even more productive. First, you need to head over to ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL app.clickup.com to navigate to the ClickUp login page. Once you're there, simply click on Login at the top right-hand corner of the home page. You'll need to enter your login credentials, so ensure that you've got your username and password ready. If you've saved them in your browser, logging in will be a breeze. After successfully logging into ClickUp, you'll find yourself at your dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top left-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a drop-down menu there, which displays your various workspaces. Click on it to select the workspace where you'd like to add a new member. It's important to choose the correct workspace, as this determines where the new member will have access. Once you're settled in your desired workspace, it's time to proceed to the People section. You can find this by looking for a small icon or a tab that says People. Clicking on it will take you to a page where all current members and guests of the workspace are listed. This section provides a comprehensive view of who is presently involved and their current roles. Now, if you're ready to invite someone new, look for an option that says Invite People and click on it. This action will typically prompt a dialog box to appear where you'll need to enter the email address of the person you'd like to add. Double check your spelling to ensure that the invitation is sent to the correct person. With the email address in place, the next step involves specifying the role you want to assign to the new member. ClickUp offers options such as admin, member, or guest. Each role comes with its own set of permissions, so it's crucial to pick a role that aligns with the responsibilities you want the new member to undertake. Admins usually have full access, members have standard access, and guests have the most limited access. Finally, after entering the email and determining the appropriate role, click on Send Invite. Doing so will send an invitation to the specified email address, and your new member will receive instructions from ClickUp on how to join the workspace. Congratulations, you've successfully invited someone to your ClickUp workspace. Remember, efficient team management starts with the right tools and clear communication. Keep these steps in mind whenever you're adding new members, and you'll ensure a smooth and organized workflow for your team.